Have you ever heard someone say that human bones are stronger than steel? It sounds impossible, but there's actually some truth behind the claim. While steel is generally stronger overall, bone can be stronger than steel by weight in certain types of compression. Even more amazing, unlike steel, your bones can repair themselves when they become damaged. The adult human body contains 206 bones, forming a framework that supports the body, protects vital organs, stores essential minerals, and allows movement. Bones may appear solid and lifeless, but they are actually living tissues filled with blood vessels, nerves, and specialized cells that constantly maintain and rebuild them. What makes bone so strong is its remarkable structure. Bone is made from a combination of collagen, a flexible protein that resists cracking, and calcium phosphate, a hard mineral that provides strength and rigidity. Together, these materials create a natural composite that is both tough and lightweight. Engineers often study bone because it combines strength and flexibility in ways that many man-made materials cannot match. The outer layer of a bone, called compact bone, is extremely dense and designed to withstand heavy forces. Inside is spongy bone, a network of tiny supporting structures that reduces weight while maintaining strength. This honeycomb-like design helps bones absorb impacts without becoming unnecessarily heavy. Bone is also constantly changing. Throughout your life, your skeleton undergoes a process called remodeling. Specialized cells known as osteoclasts remove old or damaged bone, while osteoblasts build new bone in its place. This continuous cycle keeps your skeleton healthy and allows it to adapt to the physical demands placed upon it. Every time you walk, run, lift weights, or jump, your bones experience tiny amounts of stress. This stress creates microscopic damage known as microcracks. Although that may sound alarming, these tiny cracks are completely normal. They actually serve as signals that trigger the body's repair system. When microcracks form, bone cells detect the damage and begin the remodeling process. Osteoclasts first remove weakened areas, and osteoblasts replace them with fresh, healthy bone tissue. This natural repair system allows bones to recover from everyday wear and tear before the damage becomes serious. Exercise plays an important role in keeping bones strong. Weight-bearing activities such as walking, running, dancing, and resistance training stimulate bone-building cells. In response, bones become denser and stronger to better handle future stress. This is why regular physical activity helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis later in life. Bones also serve as the body's mineral bank. About 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the skeleton. When calcium levels in the blood become too low, hormones signal bones to release some of their stored minerals. When calcium intake is sufficient, those minerals are replaced, helping maintain both bone health and normal body function. If a bone breaks, the repair process becomes even more remarkable. Within hours, a blood clot forms around the fracture. Specialized cells then produce soft tissue that gradually hardens into new bone. Over the following months, the bone is reshaped until it closely resembles its original structure. In many cases, a healed bone can become temporarily stronger at the repair site than the surrounding bone during the healing process. However, bones cannot stay healthy without proper nutrition. Calcium, vitamin D, protein, magnesium, and phosphorus all play essential roles in maintaining bone strength. Without enough of these nutrients, bones gradually become weaker and more prone to fractures. So, are human bones stronger than steel? In terms of strength relative to weight under compression, they can be. But what truly makes bones extraordinary isn't just their strength. It's their ability to sense stress, adapt, rebuild, and repair themselves throughout your entire life. Your skeleton is far more than a rigid frame. It's a living, constantly evolving system that keeps you standing, moving, and thriving every single day.